So I've been gone for a week. I took last week off and honestly it was a really good decision for me. I've been experiencing a lot of anxiety and depression issues lately, and it was just nice to take a week off, kind of chill as much as I could with all the other things that are going on, and come back now. When you're seeing this, I have a week and a half to go until my trip to London, which is so exciting. Right now I have, well, I guess it's Tuesday, so I have a week and a half. I have a tendency to really overthink things, and that definitely applies to packing. I've never really been an overpacker, but I've been an over-lister for packing. I tend to create extremely detailed list of every single item that I will bring on a trip. And it's always served me pretty well, if maybe a few extra things that I don't use. But this time I have 9.5 days in London in the winter in a carry-on only 10 kilogram maximum limit. I think we might have to try and sneak some things on. That's gonna be next week, but this week I'm gonna talk about the things I do before a trip that aren't necessarily just packing. Number 1, if you take any prescriptions, get them refilled. You really shouldn't be in a foreign country or anywhere without the medications you need, and it's just get it out of the way before you leave, bring them with you, you're good. As long as you have enough for your trip and maybe a few days extra in case of emergencies, you're all set. Think about what you're gonna pack. You don't need to pack it. You don't need to gather your stuff. Just make a list. This is a rough draft of my list, but it helps. Take care of yourself. I take emergency, I take vitamin C, whatever form it may come in, and really just try and take care of myself before a trip. I kind of do this anyway, but especially before a trip, we're going to be on planes with a lot of other people and I'm going to a cold country. I don't want to be getting sick. So I've been taking emergency, this is their pink lemonade flavor, every day, and just trying to walk more, drinking more water, just being a little bit kinder to my body, to my health. It's actually really working out for me. Spend some quality time with your family and with your pets. You don't realize it until maybe the second or third day you're gone, but honestly, you're gonna miss them, even if you're only gone for 10 days. If you're going somewhere with a different currency, just get a little bit of it before you go. You can take money out in the ATMs when you get there, but it's always nice to just have a few dollars worth where you are, just in case. I luckily have some pound coins and a £5 note from the last time I was in England, so this is perfect, and I'll be getting more out when I land. Do a little research on how you're gonna get around when you get there. Is it easier to use taxis? Is it gonna be exorbitantly expensive? Just keep that in mind. I ended up getting an Oyster card because I knew I'd be going back to London and it was just the easiest way for me to get around. I can use this on the subways and the buses. Can't really complain. One of the most important things, depending on where you're flying, know where your passport is. I can't fly with just my driver's license alone because of the state it was issued in, so I need my passport to fly even domestically. So it's really stressful when you cannot find your passport and you have a flight that day. Just know where it is, put it in a safe space, and remember, check the weather before you go. Know if you need to pack a bikini, a parka, or a raincoat. Last and most important, relax. Get excited. You're going on a trip. I hope this was a helpful, albeit short, video for you guys. I'm feeling a lot better than I have in a very long time, and I hope that really showed. A, I'm just feeling better, but B, I'm excited. I'm so excited for this trip. So I like can't stop smiling right now. That's why. If you guys have any suggestions of videos you'd like to see from me, any content in London you'd like me to film, put it in the comment section below. Subscribe if you'd like to join the fam. Give it a thumbs up if you liked, and I will see you guys later. Bye.